So we want to talk about calibration this morning. One of the first things that you need for calibration is a tarp that's 1 square yard tarp, 3 feet by 3 feet, and a scale. On our ChipSpreaders, we store those in this white, what I call a glove box, that's on the side of the operator's station. I use a screwdriver to open it up. It's usually a little tight because it is seal tight. It's a seal tight compartment. It'll have a tarp in it, and this is 1 square yard, 3 feet by 3 feet, representative of 1 square yard of material that later we'll lay this on the ground and drive over it and spread rock on it to check what's coming out of the gate to see if it matches our shot rate that we want it to have. It'll have a scale in here. The scale, you'll hang the tarp off of it, and you'll want to zero your scale out because your tarp weighs a couple of pounds. Okay. I'll hang the tarp off of it. I'll hang the tarp off of it, and then I will zero it out by increasing the tension on the spring. About there. Now my scale is calibrated.